Hey guys, Nate back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Tab A. Alright, let's do it. So, as we're looking at the packaging here, it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. The packaging contains the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, of course, 10-inch, 32 gigabytes, a wall USB charger, a quick start guide, and the Samsung terms and conditions. Okay, we have the tablet here. Kind of feels like leather, but it's not leather. Samsung logo. And then we have a brick, USB brick, wall brick. We have a charger, and the charger is USB type C. Yep. And then we have a little pin here. And then let's see. We have some instructions and the terms and conditions. Then we have the tablet here. Okay, so nice, clean look. Samsung looks nice. So let's see if it has any power. Oh, it has some power. Still booting up here. Okay, so it says, let's go. English, United States. Okay. Okay, so I'll do this and I will get back to you guys. Guys, I set it up and this is how it looks. I like the background. The background looks pretty cool. Has a couple of apps on it already. And yeah. Alright, see you guys later.